Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your delivery address on Temu in 2025. Whether you moved, made a typo, or just want to send your order somewhere else, I'll take you through the easy steps. Step 1. Open the Temu app and log in. Make sure you're logged into the account you placed your order with. Step 2. Tap on the U tab at the bottom right. This takes you to your personal profile and order management area. Step 3. Select My Orders. Find and tap My Orders to see all your current and past purchases. Step 4. Find the order you want to update. Scroll through your orders and tap on the one where you want to change the delivery address. Step 5. Look for the Change Address option. If the order is still being processed or hasn't shipped yet, you should see a button labeled Change Address or Edit Delivery Address. Tap on it. Note: if you don't see this option, it might be too late to change the address and you'll need to contact Temu support. Step 6. Enter your new delivery address. Carefully fill in the new address details: street, city, zip code, and any special instructions for delivery. Step 7. Confirm the change. After entering your new address, double-check for typos, then tap Confirm or Save. Step 8. Wait for confirmation. Temu will usually send you an email or app notification confirming your address update. If you missed the chance to change your address through the app, don't worry. You can still reach out to Temu customer support via chat or email to ask for help. That's it. Now you know how to change your delivery address on Temu quickly and easily. If you found this guide useful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials from Guide with Samuel. Leave your questions or video requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.